What's up, guys? This is Jagwick Waffle, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Gangnam Style dance. Let's start with the foot. It's going to go boom, 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 then boom, 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 boom. So it goes like that all the time, and you just shake your arms afterwards. But I'm going to show you that too. Now, let's start with the foot. And now, let's continue with the arms. I don't know if you can see me, but I'll crouch so you can see it. It will go like this, just bumping like this. Not out like this, but not inside either, but quite in the middle. Just gonna bump like this. And after that, it's gonna go like this. Okay, are you ready for some practice all together? Let's do it. Ready?
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Well, guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. The reason, or how should I say it, there is some kind of part 2 of the Gangnam Style dance. It's when you shake your legs to the side and do something like this. But I don't know how to do those steps. I just could do that original thing, you can call it. Well, hope you enjoy this video. I got a new haircut. Subscribe to my channel to see the next time I post a new video on YouTube. Like and favorites if you want. That will always be fun. Well, guys, have a nice day. Stay awesome. Bye.